Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change font size on Webull. If you want to change the font size on Webull account, launch open the Webull app on your Android or iOS device and log in. From the main home page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the menu button. Inside the menu button, tap on Settings. Now under Settings, tap on General. Click on the font size button under General and then drag the little slider at the bottom of the screen to choose your font size. Adjust your font size according to your preference, and after you do that, you will notice visible changes of your font size, and that's how you easily change font size in Webull. This can really improve your reading while tracking stocks. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.